Hi, today we're going to play Pig Out. So the object of the game is to gather as many points as you can. You're going to roll 2 dice. I just have some special dice here. Player 1 is going to be purple. Player 2 is going to be yellow. So as I said, you want to get as many points as you can. And when you roll the dice, you can gather points by adding your numbers together, but not rolling, and finding the sum, but not rolling a 1. So, I'm going to roll my dice here, and as you can see, I have a 4 and a 2, so I'm going to write 4 plus 2 equals 6. I'm going to take my chances with player 1 again and roll one more time. But, as you can see, I've rolled a 1, so it is, because I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. However, because I rolled a 1, I lose those points, all of those points, and have to go to player 2's turn. Player 2's now going to roll. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So you can use your strategies. And because player 2 saw what happened with player 1, player 2 is going to decide to pass it back to player 1. So player 2 doesn't want to lose its 6 points. So player 1's going to roll again. 6 plus 3 is 9. Player 1 is feeling risky, rolling one more time, and gets 5 plus 5, which is 10, but doesn't want to take any more chances and says, player 2, it's your turn. So player 2 is going to roll and has 6 plus 3, which is 9. Player 2 is going to want to roll one more time and gets 2 plus 2, which is 4. Player 2 is feeling lucky one more time. 5 plus 6, which is 11. Player 2 doesn't want to run out of luck and it's going to tell player 1, it's your turn. So player 1's going to continue again and gets 6 plus 3, which is 9. Player 1 is now going to roll one more time and has 2 plus 2, which is 4. Player 1's going to roll one more time. But unfortunately, player 1 rolled 4 plus 1, and because there's a 1, player 1 actually loses all of these points during this turn. So player 1's going, player 2 is going to take their turn. 4 plus 5 is 9, and we're going to stop right there, because player 2 doesn't want to run out of luck, and you can play to any points that you would like. So, but we're going to stop here and just look at the point values that we have. So player 1 has only 9 plus 10 points, which is 19. Player 2 has not rolled a 1 yet, so player 2 gets 6 points, the 9, 4, and 11 points during this turn, and this additional 9 points. So let's use a strategy to help us figure out how many points player 2 has. So I'm going to look for some easy 10s. So I'm going to start with 11 plus 9, which is 20. Then I'm going to add the 4, so 20 plus 4 is 24. And then I know 4 and 6 make a 10, so I'm going to go 24 plus 6, which is 30, and then add my 9. 30 plus 9 equals 39. There you go. So player 2 wins this game. Hope you have fun and enjoy Pig. Bye.